Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 5, Lesson 4, ordering fractions and decimals. Now remember, in the last one we learned how to compare fractions. We took a fraction and made it into a decimal so they were all decimals and we could all see them. So to order it, we have to do the same thing. We have to get them in an area that we can compare them first, right? So let's take, let me get my pen, 4 and divide it by 9. Okay, so I have 0.4 first. I'm going to put all my fractions in order. So 9 can go into 44 times because that's 36. Oops, that gives me 4. So again, 4 is going to repeat. So this is like saying 0.4 here, 0, right? And this one here is like saying 0.44. And then 5 divided by 14. Well, it can go in there. 2 times would be 28. 3 times would be, let's see, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Keep 1. That'd be 42. Give me 8 left over. So this one here is worth 0.3 something. We just know it's the smallest. So put them in order is 5 14ths is the smallest. Then we have 0.4 next. And then 4 ninths is last, or the greatest. All right, let's try this one again. So we have 1.82. I've got 1.095. Okay, so I got to take 20 and divide it by 11. Go in there one time. It'll give me 11, which will give me 90 left. Go in there 8 times. 8 times 7 is 88. That'll give me 2 left here. Can go in there one time with me 9 left, and then we go again. So we're going to have this repeat. Actually, that won't repeat. This will. So we have 1.81 repeating. So this is like saying 8 and then 1 again. Okay? And then we have 1 and 4/5. 4 divided by 5 equals 1.8, because 8 times 5 is 40, and that's 0. So 1.8. This smallest one. Well, obviously 1.095 is the smallest. Okay, now the rest of them have 8s and the 10s. Here I have 0 in the hundredths, here I have a 1 in the hundredths, and here I have a 2 in the hundredths. So this one here, which is our 1 and 4/5 would be next. Then we would go to the 1. So we would go to the 20 over 11. And last but not least would be the 1.82. Great job. All right. Go ahead and work on number 11. Okay. Pause the video, then come back and see if you got it correct. All right. So you should have said 0.095, 0.3. Okay. So 8 goes into 25. Oops, sorry, I got this backwards, didn't I? Woo, Miss Oakley. 25 goes into 80, or 8.0. 3 times, that gives me 75. Gives me 5, get another 0 that goes in there too. So 8/25 is equal to 0.32, whereas this is 0.30. And 10 goes into 3. 0. So it goes in there 3. So this is equal to 0.3 also. So it says least. The smallest one would be 3/10, or actually I was wrong. I put this one here. This one is repeating the 3, right? So this says 3. Okay, so 3/10 would be smallest. 0.32 would be second, and that was our 8/25. Then we said actually, I'm completely wrong. It's okay, let's go back. They want least. Our least would be the one that says 0.095 because there's nothing in the tenths place. Then it would be 3/10. Then it would be 8/25, and then it would be 0.3 repeating. All right, you are welcome to go ahead and try this next one yourself, or you can go ahead and move on to back to class craft and continue on your pathways. If you do number 12 and you want me to check it, bring it to my table and I will work it out with you to see if you got it correctly. All right.